Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Tuesday, January 10th, 2023.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Archery team. Archery practices will resume Wednesday, January 11th. Cafeteria. Please help us by teaching, modeling, and enforcing the expectations in the cafe. We have placed cups on all tables for you to use as a visual to your students. After 15 minutes of being in the cafeteria, including your time in line, flip your cup to green and your students may whisper to the person in front or next to them. If they are not using quiet voices, flip back to red. Continue to reinforce these expectations.
Hallway restrooms. Students should be silent during transition times and when visiting restrooms. Continue to monitor restrooms and make sure that appropriate behavior is being displayed. Uniforms. Remind students of our uniform policy, particularly outerwear and shoes. Only school-approved outerwear should be worn once they are inside the building. If you need additional copies of the uniform policy to highlight and send home with particular students, they are located in the office. Please put uniform reminder in your communication to parents as well. Today's late duty is Miss Blankenship.
Today's weather. A high of 68, low of 53, sunny, and a 9%. Important dates. Today, grade verifications and attendance reports are due. January 13th, ACAP meeting during PE for grades 2nd through 5th. January 16th, Martin Luther King holiday, no school.
January 17th, report cards. January 20th, 100 day of school. January 27th, auto walk. January 30th, faculty meeting. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, spring pictures.
Tuesday, January 10th, breakfast, Pop-Tart or cereal bar, juice and fruit, and lunch is jambalaya, green beans, brown rice, garden salad, roll, juice, and fruit.
Happy birthday, Ryan and Jalen.
Today's joke is, what type of photos would you find in a turtle's phone? Selfies.
Send us your questions. We're still taking questions, so if you have any, please drop them off in the library in the question of the day box.
That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday.